So Photoshop 21 claims to have AI, and if only the truth was that sexy. It doesn't have AI. It does not. So what does it do? Well, it creates a kind of nice selection, but as you can see, I mean, the first time you preview that video is like, wow, you know, you just selected that car, and then you go like, no, not quite. I mean, if you're gonna use this for production, then it's unfortunately quite a lot of cleanup. You have to go here, 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 and here, and here, and here. I mean, it's, yeah, I've done a lot of this in my lifetime, too much. And when I saw Photoshop 21, I was like, yeah, cool. And then you look closer and you just go like, oh, damn it. So, yeah. Oh well. The reason why it doesn't work is because you have to have artificial intelligence, and of course Adobe goes like, yeah, Photoshop does have artificial intelligence now, and well, unfortunately we know better. So it's basically just making a selection, and then it's using the color as an anti-selection sort of. So everything that is not that within that area gets deselected. So basically like that. So yeah, it's kind of like this, really. Guess it is. So it's a close match to something like that, and then it. I'm not sure how it goes about that last part, but anyways. And then it cleans up that selection, I guess. Refine edge. Yeah, it's kind of like that. Then it refines, for example, this guy here, it just refines it. So AI, nah, not really. So, I mean, there's still lots of cleanup to do in this one, so the question is it worth it? No. The answer is no. So it's better to just use splines, or I actually often just go with this tool, because that's easier to, I find it easier to use than splines at times. Actually, quite often. Depends on the object. So I mean, you would have to clean up that object anyway, right? The minus with this lasso tool thingy is if you double click, then you end the selection and you have screwed up everything up, so you need to be very careful about that. But I mean, that's the problem. You would have to clean this up anyway. So yeah, that's how I do it, and just say layer via copy. There's also another way to go about that. Now, actually, something that I didn't really think about was you could, after having done that, you could say, let's see, go with this one, refine edge, and yeah, you could feather it. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to. Yeah, so that's the thing. Do you want to smooth it? You might want to do that. Yeah, I guess it's better to. Yeah, okay, so something like that. And what you can do now is you can just right click and say make a work path. Is that a good work path? Kind of. But I think, let's see. Yeah, something like that, 1.5. And then you can clean that up. So that's if you want to use splines. So that's another way to go about it. Path, work path is here now. Can I just, let's see, cut that one? Yeah. Yeah, so how to clean that up? Different ways, but I would just go like this, I guess. Yeah, go for the wheel and then go like that. Something like this, I guess. Oops. What? Come on. Oh, the reason why the reason why that is happening is because I'm used to lightweight, so I'm moving this around using the wrong shortcut. But yeah, you can clean that up as well. Going like that at a point here and subtract subtract these guys here. Go like that. Go like this. And yeah. So kind of like this, I guess. But yeah, this is not really what I wanted to show though. But yeah, so that's the path. It's basically a perfect path. Well, okay, bragging a bit. But yeah, so that's how you make that path based on a selection. And if you want to do that, there's also, you could also do that from scratch, of course. Just go like bing, 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 and so on. But I actually prefer to use the lasso tools at times. This kind of stuff also applies to other programs. So yeah, it's just a matter of, and it's just a matter of cleaning that up later on. But as far as AI, no, not really. Again, do not trust the companies that claim they got AI. It's just simple algorithms and nothing more. So yeah, anyway, so a bit on that. Photoshop 21's claimed AI and how to go about this in another version of, in a very old version of Photoshop. Yeah, I think that's it. And of course, same applies to the wheels here when it comes to desaturating that. It's just a matter of doing that slightly. So yeah. Yeah, you can see that there's a bit red here. Of course, I can quickly fix that. That's not why I made this video though, but I usually just use the smudge tool and smudge it like this. This was also because of the original image, so the original image didn't really have the resolution that I was looking for. So there you have it. Photoshop CS3. And I bet this can be done in Photoshop. I bet this can be done in Photoshop 5? Well, I don't know. Anyway, there it is. Comments on the new Photoshop artificial intelligence nut selection.